when you set out to create something and you put deadlines on it, like doing something every day, right? So today, I'm posting a vlog. Now, what I wanted to share, I think the medicine of this portion, is that when you fall off the horse, get back on. A lot of the times, say it's with yoga or eating healthy, you'll go the first 2 weeks, you know, we did 14 vlogs, bam, bam, bam. And then when you fall off, usually allow that to be the ending point. We're not gonna do that. This is mostly gratuitous drone shots, footage of Singapore. I'm headed back to Bali today, so keep your eyes on the next 2 episodes.